everyone. Today we are going to learn word problems of exercise 5.3. When we do word problems, there are some facts of the word problems. Now, first is read the whole problem. Second is read it slowly again and understand what is to be find out. Underline if you want. Third is make statement about what you need to find. Fourth is make your question in numbers. Fourth is decide which operation we use. Operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Do not forget to write the answer in words in the form of statement. When you find out the answer of the statement, you will write in answer statement also. Now, question 1 of question 3, part A. Part A is Sita eats 50 gram of rice to 20.75 of dal and 37.925 of vegetable. What is the total intake of Sita? I am reading again of this question. Sita eats 50 gram of rice, 20.75 of dal and 37.925 of vegetable. What is the total? Total means where is total? We will do addition of this question. Now, how to make the statement? Question 3 and part A. Sita ate the rice. Eat rice equal to 50 gram. Sita eats dal 20.75 gram. 20.75 gram of dal. Sita eats vegetable equal to, she eats vegetables 37.925 gram. 925 gram. So, total intake of Sita. So, where is total in the question? We will do add 50 gram because there is in gram 75 gram to 925 also in gram. Now we will do these numbers in separate. This quantity of separate. 50 gram 0.50 gram, 20.75 gram, 37.925 gram. Because there is 50, 75 and 925. These are in unlike. So we will put zeros. Now add these numbers 5 to 7, 9, 5, 12 plus 2, 21 of 2 carry over 1. 2 plus 7, 9 and 2 plus 3, 5. Sita, 8 intake, total intake by Sita 59.175 gram. Answer is 59.175 gram. Next is part B. Part B. Ram drinks 2 liters of milk in the morning. Ram drinks 2 liters milk in the morning and 0.55 liter of orange juice in the afternoon and 1.789 of soup at night. How much liquid did Ram drink altogether? There is, in first question there is total, so we have done addition, and there is altogether. It means milk, juice and soup. All together this quantity we will add. All together means addition. So, question part B of question 3. Ram drank juice. Quantity of milk drank Ram. Drink Ram. How much quantity he take? 2 liter. 2 liter. And quantity of juice drink Ram equal to 0.55 liter. Quantity of soup drink Ram equal to how many quantity? 1.78, 1.789. Now, how much liquid did Ram? Ram drink, take liquid equal to all together. There is in question all together. All together means we will do addition. Now we will put this in addition form. 2 liter, 2 is whole, 0.55 liter. So we will put zeros upper and 1.789. Now we have done in like decimal and add this 0 plus 0 plus 9. 9, 8 plus 5 plus 0, 13 of 3 carry over 1. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 6 plus 7, 13 of 3 carry over 1. 2 plus 3 plus 1, 4. 4. Ram takes the drink by 4.339. Next question is Shyam spent rupees 25 for buying chocolate and rupees 37.4 buy burger and 350.754 pizza. How much Shyam spent for buying these? Cost of chocolate, cost of burger and cost of pizza. How much Shyam spent by for these things? Part C is cost of chocolate is rupees 25 rupees. Now, cost of burger 37.5. Cost of burger 37.5 rupees. Cost of pizza equal to, cost of pizza is 350.75 rupees. 75 rupees. Now, how many rupees spent by Ram? So, total rupees spent by Shyam. If there is in the question total, so we will add these prices 25.00 because we will make like decimal 25.00, 37.50 and 350.75. So now we will add 5 plus 7, 12 of 2 carry over 1, and we will put decimal below the decimal. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 7 13 of 3 carry over 1. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 5 11 of 1 carry over 1. 3 plus 1 4. How many spent by Shyam? 413 rupees 25 paise spent by Ram. All these things, chocolate, burger and pizza, rupees spent by Shyam. Now, next question, part D. Part D is a milk carrier van has capacity to hold 3,786 liters of milk. A can carries capacity to hold 3,786. The carrier delivers 1,234.9 liters to a particular milk booth. And how much milk is still left? There is asking in the question left. So where is the left? We will do subtract. Now, total capacity of van. Total part D. Capacity of van. How many total capacity of van? 3,786 liters. Now, the carrier delivers the milk on a milk boat. Delivers the milk on a milk boat. How many milk he delivers? 1,234 liters and 9 milliliter. 9 milliliter. Now, how many left milk in the, how much milk is left on the carrier van? Milk was left in van. So, left is there, we will subtract 3786 minus 1, 2, 3, 4 and 0.09. First we will make it in like decimal, we will put zeros. Now, subtracted 0. 0 is smaller than 9, so we can't subtract, we will take 1 borrow, 10 will be here. 9 is left here. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 0, 9 and 0.6, because we have taken borrow from 6. So here is left 5. 5 minus 4, 1. 8 minus 3, 5. 7 minus 2 is again 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. So how much milk are left in the van? 2551.91 liter is milk in the van, left in the van. So students, I hope you have understood and do practice at the home. Thank you and have a nice day.